Hello friends, in this video we are going to see troubleshoot the VLC H.264 codec error in the OpenSUSE Tumbleweed and Leap operating system. Okay, actually I have installed the OpenSUSE Tumbleweed 2 months before, and which is running in the kernel 6.9. Okay, so whenever we install the OpenSUSE operating system, there is a VLC comes by default. Okay, but if you play the MP4 and the MKV formats in the VLC, it will not play. It will throw one error called H.264 codec is not installed. In this video, we are going to see how to fix that error and how to play the MP4 and MKV formats in the VLC video LAN. Okay, uh, just go for the video LAN website. Okay, and then click download and Linux operating system. Go for the SUSE, OpenSUSE, and click any one of the OMP files. I'm going with the Tumbleweed. Okay, I have already downloaded. That's why it's showing one more file. Go to that location and click it and open by the Yoast installer. Actually, it will not install. It will throw error. Even that error is acceptable and ignorable because it will catch some of the codec in the local TMP directory, I guess. Okay, and click next. That's what we need. Copy this library and codec files in the notepad because these are the important we have to install. And click it next. Click yes, and it will ask the root password. Enter it. I have entered wrong. I am entering correctly now, so it will show. Wait for to give the pop-up. Actually, it will not install. I guess it will show some error. Yeah. If you click yes, but it will not work. Try again. Also, it will not help you here. Okay, it will asking the repo directory, but we don't know where is repo actually. I am click OK, and this time I am going with no. Okay, so click again no. It will throw the failed error message here, but that is ignorable and acceptable. Okay, now what we have to do? Click finish. Go to terminal and install the VLC codec first. Okay, uh, sudo zypper install VLC codec. I think it will installed already, I guess. If it is installed, no issues. If not, we have to proceed to installation. Okay, here you can see already installed. So I'm going to cancel it. Now I am going to install the what are the library files we have copied. I have already installed and I have fixed the VLC error. That's why I think it will give same error, I guess. So here you can see it is already installed. So now the issue got fixed now. Okay, now we are going to test it whether the videos are playing or not, like that. Okay, I'm going to my video directory. Is that If you play any one of the video by VLC, it will play. Here you can see it is playing now, and with the sound as well. So that's it. This is how we have to fix the issue in the VLC. On the OpenSUSE Leap and Tumbleweed operating system. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and please share and like and comment if this video is really helpful to someone, if this video is really helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'm stopping my recording.